Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I did this fun summer look for you guys with a little pop of yellow. And yes, that is my handsome little baby in the back. But hey, mom life, what are you gonna do, right? But anyway, if you want to see how I got this look with a pop of yellow, please keep on watching. And thanks! Okay, so first I'm starting off with my Morphe eyeshadow primer. I honestly love this stuff. It seriously makes my eyeshadow stay on all day long, and I love that it's translucent, so it doesn't come off with any color or anything. It doesn't give me too much pigment or not enough pigment. It's just what I need for my eyeshadow to stay. And for my transition colors, I'm going to be using my Carli Bybel palette. It's the first one she came out with. And I'm going in with that matte shade just to set the translucent eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going to go in with the rest of the shades for my transition colors. Honestly, I love this palette. I haven't used it in a while. I just have so many palettes that sometimes I forget. But they're really easy to blend, and that's what I love about them. And going in with that like medium brown, I'm going to use that as my first transition shade. Sorry about the background noise, guys. They're working on my fence. Let's take a minute to pause. See my little cutie. Next, I'm going in with this pencil brush and this darker, like kind of mauve-y brown. And I'm going to focus that more on the outer corners of my eye. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'll take it into the crease. But I want to leave the inner corner of my eye free for the yellow that I'm going to be using. And I don't want to have any color really on there besides the yellow. And then going in with the big fluffy brush with no product on it, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure everything is blended seamlessly so there's no harsh lines. Using my white NYX pencil in the color Milk, I'm going to use that as kind of like a little extra primer for the pop of yellow because I want it to really stand out, and I think that this white eyeliner will really help. And I'm just going to go and blend it out with my finger, not a brush, just so it looks smooth after. And then I'm going to go in with this little lid brush. It's just a packing brush. And I'm going in with my Morphe 35B palette. It's an oldie but a goodie. And I'm going to use the matte yellow that's in there for my pop of color. Yep, that one right there. So I decided to switch brushes really quick. I just wanted a little bit of a bigger brush, and I thought this one was better, but same concept. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pat everything in and then kind of blend it, but not too much. I'm more going in with patting motions. Going in with my Morphe liner in the color Jet, I'm just going to add a little bit of a wing liner because I think it's going to really make this look come together. Okay, so my camera overheated, and then when I turned it on, I thought I hit record and I didn't. So basically I did my brows, my foundation, and then added the concealer, and that wasn't recorded, so I'm sorry, but here I am just blending it out with a damp beauty blender, and I just highlighted the places you would normally highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with my 06F palette from Morphe. They do not make this anymore. This is a very old school palette, but I really love it. And now I'm just going in and making sure there's no creases or anything, making sure everything is blended seamlessly. I'm going to go ahead and set with those two colors. And this is matte, so that's really what I'm going for, like a little matte. I don't always like luminous, just sometimes, but today I'm going for more of a matte look. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and set everything, and then I'm going to use this Milani Prep Set and Go powder. I don't know if it's a mattifying powder. I'll have to check the little packet, but I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna go in and set everything behind. And here's my little baby dancing. He seriously loves to dance, you guys. Okay, and then I'm going in with a new palette from Morphe, the 8L. It's like the shade, I forgot what it's called, but contour palette. I'm going in with those two highlight colors, and I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks and my cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going in with their Celebutante Brontour palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face. I'm using this big angled brush, so it's kind of contoured, but also kind of like sun-kissed all over kind of look, since this is a summertime look. And then I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild. I forgot the name, but I seriously love this highlight. This is the best drugstore highlight I have ever used. Maybe even not just drugstore. It's one of the best highlights overall that I've ever used. But I'm just going to go in and go over the same highlight I did earlier. And I'm going to use the same highlight for the inner corners of my eye. Then adding a little bit of Tarte blush to give myself a little bit of a summertime flush. And then I'm going to go in back with the same transition colors I used and just put that underneath my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX, this is a nude pencil, and I'm going to put it in my actual waterline to make my eyes appear a little bit brighter and more awake for that fresh summertime look. So I'm going in with this nude LA Girl matte lipstick. I thought it was a little bit too nude for the look I was going for, so I just decided to add a little pop of gloss on there, and I feel like it really helped bring the look together because I wasn't liking it without the gloss. Then I'm going to go in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm turning to the side because I don't want to get any on Jax's face. And then you guys know I always set my face before the mascara. It's just in my head, I think it works better. And then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and coat my lashes. And you know I don't really like to wear false lashes, so I didn't. And that completes the look, you guys. And I really hope you enjoyed this fun summertime pop of color look. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks again for watching.